Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. It's happy Happy Monday. Very hot outside. See, the sun outside is so hot. I need to close the curtain a little bit. Anyway, today is Monday. My palm is itchy. I hope I can receive money. Anyway, it's itchy. I need to check my email because I received so many email. Gmail or Yahoo Mail. Anyway, can you please pray for me that I can find a new job, a good salary, high salary, and good benefits, and also a God-fearing and kind employer, and also the work that is not too much stressful. Anyway, because my work contract will finish this coming August. Until now, I won't be able to find a new job anyway. I need to try to but you know most the salary offer is very low, very small. The salary offer is my salary 10 years ago. Not even enough for the expenses, monthly expenses. Why this is in the other country, but it's hard to I did not proceed the what I apply in Albania because they're asking too much money, but the salary is not big as that. I try to find only here because they're asking more than €1,000, and the salary is not big. In plus ticket, it will cost 7,000 dirham, including the ticket. Anyway, guys, I need to try another because they're always somebody is messaging me. I need to check my WhatsApp because somebody is message me. Yeah. I need to I'm still praying and hoping that God will whatever God plan into my life, I accept it wholeheartedly. I know God will not forsake me. What is His plan is that's for my own good. I don't know if I can. But I don't know how to speak Arabic. That's why I cannot Arabic person. I need only English. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.